Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fill out a fillable PDF from using Nitro Pro PDF editor. This is a PDF file and see this is a fillable PDF from here. You can type here also and you can remove them. Now I'll make this fillable PDF from fill out in. Now select this form option and here you will find this text field option or select field. Now press Ctrl A for your keyboard and select all of this field and select right button hold on mouse cursor and select properties option and go general option. Here you will find this read only option. Check mark this box and select close and go hand option. Now see this. Now you can type or edit any text and see this. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.